Our client's 1964 home, originally designed by famed architect Jack Simison, was due for a major update of its first floor, including everything from the entryway to the kitchen and living spaces. After enduring a number of temporary solutions in the form of smaller-scale remodels, our clients decided they were ready to pursue an extensive renovation from a full-service firm that could establish a cohesive and contemporary aesthetic. The intriguing radial design of the La Cañada home was already spectacularly sited, overlooking mountain and city light views. So much of our work on the exterior and backyard of the home centered around subtle alterations to improve the look of existing structures and maximize our clients' access to those views. Dusky grays and charcoal tones, paired with warm lighting, create outdoor spaces that feel both expansive and intimate. The patio, by extension, creates an outdoor living space filled with cozy furnishings and beautiful greenery, just one of the many examples of the various lookout points in the home. The entire first-floor living area follows suit as both a beautiful and functional space that overlooks one of Southern California's most impressive landscapes. The new entry and modern walnut staircase with glass panel guardrails adds another contemporary element to the home. Blackjack swirl light pendants and soffit lighting add drama, as the Terrazzo floors preserve its vintage yet vogue aesthetic, and the proper placement of our client's decor in turn brings a vibrant color accent to the scene. A major aspect of this remodel included an extensive redesign of the kitchen. The island stone backsplash is fashioned with subtle angles and anchors the surrounding walnut cabinetry with its attractive breeze blue glass color. The sleek design of the new wolf gas cooktop and vent hood adds to the contemporary style of the space. A large island provides a generous prep and eating space that also doubles as an area for casual entertaining. Elegant cabinetry at the far end of the kitchen allows for plenty of storage, as well as a nice focal point. And with natural lighting and a nice outlook onto the backyard and pool, it makes the opportune spot for a charming dining nook, perfect for an intimate meal with family. To allow natural light into the rest of the home, a wall was removed between the family room and new kitchen. A custom entertainment cabinet was designed to provide more storage and complement the adjacent space. Subtly cool neutral paint colors like Dunn Edwards Shady were used on the walls to keep the room bright without becoming too harsh of a contrast to the woodwork. The palette balances seamlessly with the bison beige color used on the lovely tongue and groove ceiling. This home features many unique characteristics, one being the original lava rock veneer found in the living room. Our clients were at odds with one another about whether to keep the fixture, one loving the personality it provided the home, and the other feeling its presentation was too ostentatious. To find a compromise and update the space, a concrete plaster surround was added to create a modern accent in the room. The floating hearth was also refinished to match the original Terrazzo flooring found throughout the rest of the home, and by the end of the process, both of our clients not only appreciated the change, but fell in love with the lava rock all over again. Finally, a large glass panel barn door in walnut now adds privacy to the office from the rest of the living areas, also serving as an eye-catching feature of the home. By repurposing much of the unique architectural design of the home, as well as its choice location, we were able to make alterations that led to vastly enhanced results. Natural peculiarities like the lava rock wall or the circular layout of the home and pool were able to be fashioned into daring elements of the house that managed to follow through on the original architect's design, yet still set the home apart with bold aesthetics fitting of our clients' tastes. To learn more about us, visit HartmanBaldwin.com, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe to hear the stories behind more of our favorite transformations.